Do you ever want to enjoy fireworks but it's too loud for your children? Well, I have a neat experiment here that's quiet and you can do indoors. It just takes one container that's clear so you can see through, and you need a bit of oil and food color, and you can use different colors, as many as you want. I'm choosing 3. I've got red, green, and yellow, and you need to just slowly pour the oil on the top so there's a little layer of oil and the food coloring. And it's gonna slowly start shooting down and looking like little fireworks. I'm gonna add the red now.